Can I have let me see. I don't know what I want. Let me see. Can I have the number I'll have the number 9 meal. Fries, sweet tea. Fries, sweet tea, and a pecan pie slice. Yes. That's it. Thank you. Hey, so do you know what's your name? What's your name in my phone? Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, do you know what's your name in my phone?
Spy Ninja?
No, BBAI.
Oh, nice.
Before it was open $ open buffet.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because somebody asked me, who is that? I was like, it's BBAI. Anyway, all right. So we got another record. You know what I'm saying? Another podcast. With the Zero Emotion Trader, and saying the Plate X. The one and only. Plate X, aka I should have bought more. You know what I'm saying? In the house.
Oh, wow. Like, we all say that. I should have bought more. Don't y'all?
Hey, Plate X, hashtag I should have bought more. Hey, I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and give me a hashtag. Come on now, hit me with it. Hit me with it.
Hashtag the Queen Trader.
The what?
The Queen Trader.
Why am I? Why am I called the Queen? Oh,
the Queen Trader.
I like that. The Queen. Yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm the QQQ man, brothers. You know what I'm saying? I'm the barbecue QQQ. Huh?
The QQQ Ninja.
The QQQ Ninja or the barbecue QQQ. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, barbecue QQ. That's funny.
Yeah, we be cooking.
So how much money you made today?
Oh man.
What was your position size?
Oh man, I can't even talk about it. But you know what I'm saying? I know. I'm gonna put a video later. I usually try to put, but I try to keep up with the videos. But one of them, I made 176 percentage. 176%. Actually, it was a 200. It was 202%, and one of them was 176. So I don't know. Like I've been doing a little better. I just told you how I create my positions, but like this, like now, what I've been doing is when it drops too low. So it was at 609, then it dropped to 607. And then I got a 608 call. Then it dropped to 606, and I got a 607 call. And riding it, so basically at a 607 call, I got my position. That I had no time to go ahead and average down. But like the 608 call, like I have time to average down. But that plays out perfect because that position, that 607 call, it gets so much momentum. And I saw that from your place because I see you stagger them. You know what I'm saying? I have to go and get that cheat code real quick. You probably didn't notice, but I saw that from you because I see you stagger them when you do your call. You stagger them.
Just because I learned something. I realized that sometimes some of the calls that are further out the money can crit way more than the ones that you buy out the money if there's like a really big momentum. I saw that with AMD. Like, let's just say you put $1,000 in AMD and you bought something close to the money. But if you bought this AMD because it had momentum and it's further out the money, you have like 10,000% return on your money. So sometimes buying out the money, if the momentum is confirmed, can actually give you higher percentage return. So I stacked Vail like a crackhead today, and I'm waiting on Vail to pay me. And I hope that I have enough contracts for it to pay me. I might probably still need to add a little bit more money. Whenever I get money, just buy more because the IV rank is low. the implied volatility is low on Vale. There's news that's coming on Vale. Well, it's Vale for everybody that's listening. Vale, okay?
You're definitely gonna hit. You know what? I don't know. I'm trying to hit one like that. I think BBBY is gonna hit.
I know. I was thinking about BBBY, but I'm so spread out right now that I just gotta manage the trades that I'm in.
Like I need a trade.
I
need a trade like that. I need a trade that's like the AMD trade. I need a trade like that. I mean, you could use PAF for it.
PAF is very volatile and it doesn't hold its gains. So I just decided I like right now I like Vale. Why do I like Vale? I know what the support is. Support is at 1086, but it doesn't move. It doesn't move too crazy. And you see what happens with PAF. I think I just got another alert that the CEO sold some more. Every time PAF goes up, he sells. So I don't like it.
Yes. Oh, thought I paid already. 1 second, okay? I was paying for my food, but that's kind of messed up. But that's good too, because if he's selling, that means people are buying them. That's not bad. That's not necessarily bad, Jesse.
Okay.
That's not necessarily bad, but yeah, I think I'm gonna play PAF for that. I gotta have a play like that, because come on, man, we gotta hit one of those $40,000 play, bro. Like we got to. So it's gonna be either PAF. What else? What else you thinking? Thank you. Ooh, like sweet tea.
I don't know. I'm looking for. I want Snap to hit.
Thank you.
And I want Ford to hit.
Good. We good. Oh, can I have some barbecue sauce, please? Hey, so I'm scared to play Vale with you.
What?
I'm afraid it's not gonna hit.
Well, it's a chance I'm taking.
You know? Vale. So which play? PAF is one of them. BBBY is one of them. Shit, like, I don't think. BBAI is maybe way too expensive. Them fries. Thank you. Appreciate you. Them fries be hitting. What? Anyway. BBAI may be too expensive. Like, what can we buy to get like a nice, you know?
Honestly, it depends on what you mean by it's too expensive, because the $40,000 bag that somebody bought, they bought 11 contracts. They paid $171 a contract and they hit 40 grand on it.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
So I did the math and I was like, so they paid $1,881 and they made 40 grand. Well, 38,000 and some change. So I'm just like,
help me. You know what I'm saying? You're like, help me. I'm trying to make it too, bruh. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I'm trying to make it too, bruh. I'm trying to make money too. I think we're gonna get ours. But, okay, I guess you got Vale. I don't know, man. I'm not feeling Vale like that. Let me do some research. Maybe.
I mean, like, no, you could use, I think, I don't know, I'm already in Vale. I'm already spread out. So, you play it and I play what I play. I'm still gonna make some money and you're gonna make some money. I might not make as much, but I'm thankful for my blessings.
Nah, listen, we're not over here, everybody doing their thing. We're trying to hit, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, can you really predict the market? Because if you could predict, we would all be hitting all
we have the news, we're just a little spread out. AMD has...
Well, I could went back in AMD. It's just that it dropped so much, but I had the idea to go back in because I did have a 185 call on AMD, but then it canceled. And I'm like, why did it cancel? I guess it didn't fill. But I wouldn't have had a position size anyway. So I think that Amazon might be next. I need Amazon to come up with some news. It's one of the last of the Magnificent Seven that hasn't hit yet.
Okay, so I heard about Amazon. Not gonna lie to you. So
Okay, what you hear?
I heard that last time I saw an article on there, it said that it was fucking cheap and it was ready to go. So you may be right.
Was that from Barron's?
Hell yeah.
Well, then, hey, let's do it.
I don't mess around. You know? I don't mess around. But yeah, BBAI. You know, we're gonna get 50,000 shares. We're finna hit the jackpot. You know what I'm saying?
I wish I would have hit AMB today, because that would have been money for me to be like, oh, 10,000 shares of that Data Vault.
Yeah. You like that?
But Data Vault's gonna come down, and I hope that when it's time to buy, that I have the money to do it.
I mean, if you think about it, everything's gonna come down. What's happening right now is not normal though.
Why you say that?
October is usually a month where it goes up, but like, nah.
Do you know who your president is? You better put respect on his name.
Got that right.
Huh?
I say got that right.
Exactly. I think I gotta go on his social media and see if he tweeted about the market.
If he tweeted about what?
The market. You know how he is. He's like, you know, everything is great, everything is up, the stock market is doing well, you know, best economy ever.
Yeah, but right now he's too focused on. I don't know, man. He's too. That's great, man. I didn't like that conference he made.
Why?
Cause man, like that shit sounded like the Clintons back in the day
What does that mean?
when they were making the war on like crimes, and you know, and they were calling like young black teenagers criminals, and you know, and
Yeah, they have a narrative to create, you know?
and also like a lot of times he was saying, well, you know, Russia, Putin came here and was like, yeah, your city's dirty, like basically telling us, I am gonna fight crime and I'm gonna make the city clean because Russia came and told me that my city was dirty, right?
Right. But then he'll go to Africa or Nigeria and be like, oh, you guys don't have constant electricity, you guys are in a shit phone, blah, 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 you know?
Yeah. So
Hold on. I'm calling, how may I help you?
This is Jamie.
Hey, Jamie.
I'm gonna put the address for the walk.
I'm actually on my way. I don't know where it's at. It's just like I have another appointment, so I was just trying to come to where you're at so I can keep going. Is that where you're gonna be at?
Uber Eats.
Okay. Well, if I can just meet you at a stable location, it's fine, because I don't want to be running all over, you know?
Publix on Channel Side.
Channel side, Publix, channel side. Yeah, we could do that. And just send me the address, because I don't really know the address. Because I'm driving right now. Okay, thank you.
man, I bought this chicken sandwich and it's banging. Hey, when you have calls and stuff, you can mute yourself because it's recording. Hey guys, you know, Clayt X is a trader, investor, but she's a hustler too, you know. She got a couple of businesses on the side, you know. I'm just trying to save you, you know, not people being only in your business, huh? If
Yeah, well, I'm sure you're gonna cut it out. You're not posting the whole conversation, so I need you to.
okay. You know, but yeah.
Honestly, like right now, I feel like I've spent so much time trading and being in so many positions that my options are growing, you know, that not all of them are green at once, and I just want to like just reduce and just trade, have maybe 10 things because I got so much. But
The thing is, you can't manage all of them at the same time. It's a lot.
that's a good thing too. It's fine. Because I'm not like October 17th is gonna be one crazy day because I have so many options expiring on the 17th that I think I just gotta like start selling some of the stuff that I have because October 17th is gonna be like a sell day. Like just sell because I have so many options open for that expires
This
that
month
day.
we got another meeting with the feds.
Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to load up on open. Yo, I messed up on open so bad. I should have bought like 38 contracts. Position size is killing me. And the thing is because I'm scared to risk it big. But then when I did risk it big, the price has to be nice. Under like, 50 contracts, under like 50 cents, $50 a contract.
Yeah. I mean,
Or just limit myself to like $2,000 or $2,000 max in a position size.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. That way it's going to limit me as from being spread out. Like anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a position size, depending on what I'm trading. But my Marvel hit. I had 3 contracts I was trimming. Marvel hit, IBIT hit, ADM hit, like Archer hit, Slug hit. I got like, I should have loaded up on Plug $5 calls. I have 14 contracts. If I would have just loaded up on that, they were $12 a contract. If I just loaded up on Plug and they were leaps, I'd be sitting so good right now.
My thing is, to alleviate that, get a contract, get a percentage that makes you comfortable, and automatically sell your shit, sell your contracts at 1,000% every time. So if it reaches 1,000%, it sells automatically, and you move on something else, and then automatically you get the cash, you get the money, right? You get to close the position. But if it constantly goes up and these things are not going up all at the same time, that's kind of difficult, man. I have to say that. That's kind of hard. So
We gonna be alright.
yeah, on that Kenny Lamar shit, But yeah, so
I mean, we are alright. I mean, like your account, your account is at $500,000 now. Like you mastered it.
I'm not. Don't say that. Don't get me robbing stuff. My account is at
Gotta speak it into
$5,000.
existence. Okay, that's awesome. 10x that. Ooh.
Yeah. So gotta keep it humble, bruh. But yeah, like automatically sell at 1,000%. So, and if ever you got a position and oh my god, it goes to 2,000, and then, or like when it sells, it's when it goes past, you could always buy back another contract.
Yep, you can.
But holding, and the day the market goes and drop on you, you cannot sell all these contracts at the same time. That's when you're gonna lose a lot of money.
I mean, I didn't sell it. I didn't buy it at the same time, so I can't sell it at the same time. The only way I can sell it all is to put a stop loss. But right now, the market is so volatile that utilizing a trailing stop or stop loss, it'll wake you out.
Listen. Listen. Just go ahead. Like for example, your plugs up. Go ahead and set them up at 2,000%. If it hits, and you move on. Telling you, the day there's a correction, it's gonna be tough.
Don't give me anxiety, bro. Thanks for putting me in reality check, though.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Nobody asked you.
Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna put that Justin Timberlake. Cry me a river. Oh. See, guys? Hey, that's what traders do. They don't listen to each other. But it's all good. I need to find out where the next interest rate meeting. I don't think they're gonna increase rates. They're gonna drop rates again.
Yeah, hopefully. That means I need to load up on real estate. I need to buy like some $11 calls on open.
Let's see open. Let's see how much open. I don't want to play open. Ugh. That stuff is $9 again. Okay. We can get January 16 contracts for $21.
Honestly, I don't know. I gotta look at the charts and measure out the move. But I bought like contracts today for open, and I hit 200% on it.
Just
The problem with hitting I literally within like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Did I get out? No. It's still in the play. But I realized, so I was talking to another trader, and another trader got into the same play, didn't even tell me, and I didn't know, so we actually were thinking on the same wavelength. But the difference between him and I, why he's more successful than I am in this stuff, is his position size. He spent $500 on the position and bought like 38 contracts.
Wow.
And I only bought like 6 contracts. If I would have just bought, so I'm like, okay, if I see something that's moving and I have money in my account, just buy 38 contracts, get your initial investment back plus profits, and let that rest ride on the house.
How much were they?
When I bought it, it was 35 cents a contract.
And it was which one? Which price target?
I think it was a $9 call. And I saw it on Friday, and open hasn't been moving. That's another thing too that I gotta keep in mind. When open moves and then it doesn't, and then it moves and then it doesn't.
That's a
So when right. So what I've learned with open and how it behaves is like if it hasn't moved for a minute, shoot, just go ahead and load up because it's gonna move.
What's the other play? It's like what? The other play, AEAIRE.
Air?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have some shares on it. I'm down $500. I can't wait till it comes back up so I can get out of it. It had its day, it was moving, and then it just stopped moving, and I'm like stuck in a train.
No options.
Holding up my capital. No. You can try LDI. That's real estate, or OPAD. That's real estate too.
I like all the LDI. It hasn't been moving yet. Why is LDI not moving as much as open?
Because open has a lot of people behind it.
Because it uses AI or something? What's so special about Open? Can you give us a little?
I mean, everybody knows about Open Door. If you hear it, you see it, go look it up yourself.
Come on. See, that's
It's real estate. It's a real estate sector.
that's not stuff, bro.
If you wanna have your home listed to sell, you can use Open. Oh, and another thing that happened today, why Open went up, it's because of they're going to be accepting Bitcoin as payment. So that's what made it open. And all they had to do was announce that news. I knew it was coming. And the thing is, Open was at 45 cents. 45 cents? Plug was as low as 69 cents. That's why I'm trying to and I saw DVLT at 27 cents. That's why I'm trying to load up on these, prominent. You know what? Thank you for having this conversation. I think I'm going to load up on some Plug leads. When Plug slows down a little bit from the news it has, I'm going to find the least expensive leads for 2028, and I'm going to get as many contracts as I can.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into BBAI. I need an alternative to Open. I feel like Open is expensive.
Well, look up the contracts right now. What do you find? What do you see?
Open right now. So the January 2026, the $21 is like $122. So, the January 2028 is $5. Come on, bro. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to find an alternative. The LDI is pretty good. I've heard about it, and it's definitely an alternative. So I'm gonna have to find. I found one alternative on Barron's the other day. It was like a Thomas something. But I need some good options, some cheap options. LDI has options. It might definitely move. Usually, if ever something happened with the real estate, like Home Depot and these homemakers are just gonna take off. You know?
Mm-hmm.
So LDI is like a Home Depot, right?
Loan Depot. So they have loans. I think they offer loans for homes. With interest rates dropping, it could help LDI.
Oh. Let's see. Does Open have how much? Open has 6 billion shares too. We'll see.
If you would have bought 10,000, think about it. If you would have spent $4,500, this is why I need to hit a trade and just find these sub $1
stocks like you're hitting a joint or something.
No joints, but finding a trade that's finding a stock, and there's so many of them, and I come across them. Is just that sometimes I sell and I don't do my homework on them. If I would have did my homework on DVLT, I would have held all of the shares I had, because I bought some at and I saw some at 27 cents and I didn't buy it. I keep going back to it because DVLT is gonna go. I just don't know when they're gonna have offering. October 10th is a very important date for DVLT.
Okay, October 10th. What they got going on October 10th?
So DVLT was trading under $1 for a minute, and so they aren't meeting their listing requirements. That's why it's been pumping lately. They haven't been meeting the NASDAQ listing requirements, and usually a stock has to stay above $1 for 10 days in order for it to meet the listing requirements again. So October 10th ironically will be the 10th day for it to stay above $1. And I feel like they're gonna pump DVLT until it you know, it's gonna stay at least above $1 for a while. But when once 1010 comes, I believe they're gonna do an offering, and once they do that offering, it's gonna drop the price.
I see. They're gonna drop the price, and I mean TVLT, man. I don't know. You say they do data centers, right? Right?
Hold on just a second.
Huh?
Hold on, I gotta mute myself. Thank you for